Okay, so this video will be about clearing your throat. So I figured instead of doing my standard intro at the beginning, I would get your attention by clearing my throat. So anyways, now that I got that little attention grabber out of the way, I'm gonna roll my standard intro and I'll talk to you about clearing your throat. So let's do this. And this is my standard intro, just in case you've probably seen other of my videos, but in case you haven't, this is my standard intro. So we're gonna do this. Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about clearing your throat. I'll specifically be showing you, and more specifically, I will be telling you how to clear your throat fast, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be about me showing you, but more specifically telling you how to clear your throat fast, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial. So step-by-step tutorial on clearing your throat, there are 5 simple steps. Let's get into this. I'm gonna try and keep this video short and sweet. Honestly, I'm gonna try and keep it to about under 3 minutes, so be ready, because we're gonna just get through this fast, okay? So step number one is to hop into the shower and get some steam. So hop into a nice, decently hot shower. Doesn't have to be super hot, but pretty warm enough for you, at least pretty warm, and basically I mean warm enough where you get steam. If you're getting some steam in the shower, which if it's a warm-ish shower, you're still gonna get steam, then hop into that shower. The steam will help you out, okay? Step number 2 is to drink a glass of water, and the glass of water will help to loosen the phlegm in your throat and the mucus, whatever it is in your throat that's bothering you. Even if it's like a piece of food that might be stuck there that you're trying to get down, the glass of water will help you loosen it up, okay? Step number 3 is to breathe in, and when you breathe in, you're gonna get some pressure in your lungs, so breathe in to get some pressure in your lungs, okay? To get some ability to move air in your lungs, so breathe in. And then step number 4 is to do a decent cough. So do a decent cough. Okay? And when you do that decent cough, after you've had the water, when you got the steam, you've breathed in and done all the stuff that I've talked to you about, when you do that decent cough, you should move that sort of stuff that's in your throat up and around, and then sometimes you can swallow it down, sometimes you can spit it out, sometimes you can just let it sit there, have more water, and it'll take it down. I know you might be grossed out, but honestly, I'm just telling you the truth, okay? And then step number 5 is to repeat a few times. Now, obviously, you don't want to have a glass of water, a few times, because then you're going to be drinking too much water. So if you're going to plan on doing this like a few times, then just have a couple sips of water each time, obviously. And yeah, you can also do this at various points throughout the day to help, loosen up that sort of phlegm and clear your throat. I don't know if you clicked on this video thinking it was like literally how to clear your throat like that. I'm not sure, but I'll probably do a separate tutorial on like the process for actually clearing your throat. But I'm assuming you have something like, in your throat that's sort of clogged up there, maybe some phlegm, some mucus, and you want to clear it out. So anyways, I kind of went with what I thought you would be looking up. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And I don't know why I'm doing that. Anyways, I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to say it just calmly and smoothly without the clearing of the throat. That's unnecessary, totally unnecessary. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And even though that wasn't calm, that is still the way I do my outro. But anyways, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, once again, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Here's the situation. This is my 23rd video that I'm filming in a row. And when I get to like the end, I'm like, woo, start losing it a bit. So I'm going to do this again calmly. If you clicked away, totally understandable, but I'm going to do it again calmly because I need to do it for myself. And hopefully you want to hear me calm down. So if you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.